Today we are going to make some oven baked donuts. You're going to need 2/3 of a cup of milk or water, 2/3 of a cup of sugar, 1 packet of yeast mixed, 1/4 of a cup of butter, half teaspoon spice. Bring everything together. Then we're going to add our flour. We're going to use 2.5 cups of all-purpose flour. Put it to rest until it's double in size. Then open, cut to your desired shape, and then we're going to put that to rest. I let that rest for 1 hour actually, and 1 hour later, this is what it looks like right here. Really nice. It has risen. And then I'm going to put it in a preheated oven at 350 degrees Fahrenheit for 20 minutes. Then take it out, let it cool, and I have a spice glaze that I will link above and in the comment section. And I place that spice glaze, and then I put some chia seeds, and I also added some salt. Just on one, just to see how it would taste, and I really enjoyed how it tastes. This was a really nice, easy recipe, and oh my gosh, it was so soft and so delicious. I'm gonna try this one. This thing is so soft. Oh my gosh, it's really good. It doesn't take away from the fact that it was baked at all. Wow. Next time I'm making these donuts, I'm going to fill them with some custard or something. So let's try this one. Look at that inside. And on top of this one, this had the chia seeds, but I also sprinkled some sea salt on it along with the spice glaze. Give this big donut a try. It's really good.